We are pleased to show you the 2022 Yukon XL. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, hill descent control, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.